students and job seekers, this is another number series completion test. Actually this is another number series completion sessions for you all. Okay, just concentrate over the board here. Okay, so I have drawn a particular number series. The last number here is replaced with question marks in this series. So the basic thing is that we have to find which number will replace this question mark. Okay, let's jump to the logic here. If we move from left hand side to right hand side, what we see a typical pattern presented in this figure. Okay, number figure. Just consider the top left numbers. Okay, so if we denote each number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, which we have to derive. Okay, so what is the relation between the two numbers, consecutive numbers 1 and 2? 100 divided by 2 equal to 50. Okay, now what is the relation between these two numbers, second and third? So 50 into 1 is 50 into 4 equal to 200, or another we can say, and that's very relevant logic, that is 100, that is this number, plus 50 plus 50. So add 100 with the double of this, the next number, that is 50. So to get the another number 200. Similarly, what is the relation between the numbers in third and fourth position? It's similarly fourth position number is 400 divided by 2 equal to 200, and if we add 200 plus 100 plus 100, then we get again 400. Similarly, just see the relation between these two numbers, these two consecutive numbers. Okay, so these two consecutive, the relation between these two consecutive numbers has already been shown here. Now this is between 5th and 6th position. Okay, so 800, that is the number in 6th position, by 2 equal to 400, that is the number in 5th position. And if we add, that is 200 plus 100 plus 100. Okay, as we have already shown here, this number plus 100 plus 100. Similarly, this number plus 400 plus 400 will be 1600. So immediate number which will replace this question mark equal to 400. Okay, so this is the logic. You have got it. Okay, let's focus on the next one. The next one I am going to draw is very easy. Even if you carefully see the number series pattern, you, without thinking twice, you can derive what the logic actually is there within the particular series. Okay, let's draw the series first. 5, 15, 45, 135, and then obviously the number we have to find. Similarly, from left hand side to right hand side, what is the relation? we can see that what is the relation between 5 and 15. It's 5 into 3 equal to 15. Similarly 15 into 3 equal to 45. Similarly 45 into 3 equal to 135. Now very easy, as I have already told, that is 135 into 3. What will be the answer? It will be 405. So question mark will be replaced by 405 to complete the whole series. Hope you understand the logic. Okay, so focus for the another. Just stay focused. Okay, now the third one is coming shortly. The third one is 10, 8, 13, 35, 135, and obviously the number we have to calculate. So moving from LHS to RHS, what we get? 10 into 1 minus 2 equal to the next number 8. Obviously I can give you a very simple trick to find the logical series. Okay, to find the number in the logical series, that is just move from top left to top right and always consider the two consecutive numbers. What the logic actually derived in the two consecutive numbers. So if you can derive the logic, you will easily get the next one and the next one and the next one to complete the series. Okay, so now what we can see, that 10 into 1 minus 2 equal to 8. Now what is the relation between 8 and 30? So if we multiply 8 into 2, so it is 8 into 2 is 16, minus 3 equal to 13. Similarly 13 into 3 minus 4 equal to 35, and 35 into 4 minus 5 equal to 135. And first I just let's be patient. First I am going to properly show you the logic, and then I am going to explain it. Now 135 into 5 minus 6, what will be the number? It will be 669. So what the actually logic hidden between this number series pattern, that is if we multiply the top left number with 1 and then subtract 2 from it, we get the next number. Similarly the multiplication, actually the in the whole logic pattern, the multiplication is incremented by +1, and similarly the number we are going to subtract with the multiplied result is also incremented by 1. What is this? That is 10 into 1 minus 2 equal to 8. Then 8 into 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2 minus 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4 minus 5 into 5 minus 6, and so on. That is the logic hidden in this number pattern. Okay, so this one is finally completed, and now the next one coming here, that is 2, 2, 4, 6, 10, 16, and obviously the number we have to find. So what is the logic? This is actually a Fibonacci series. Those who are actually appearing for different type of competitive exams like IBPS, like IAS, IPS, or WBCS, or Combined Graduate Service, SSC, et.al. Those have to be strong in mathematics. Obviously, if you are strong in mathematics, then obviously your brain is quite sharp, and only you can apply your brain during the exam hour to successfully complete the paper you will be given. Okay, so now obviously you know what is Fibonacci series. That is, in that particular series, two consecutive numbers should be added to get the next number. That is, if the numbers is put in position A, B, C, D, E and so on, so A plus A should be A plus B should be C. Okay, that is, if we denote it as A, B, C, D, E, F and G, then obviously the Fibonacci, what Fibonacci series tells us, that is A plus B should be C, then B plus C should be D, then C plus D, then C plus D should be E, then D plus E should be F, and then E plus F should be G, and finally F plus G should be the number 8. So if we just think this particular number series in this pattern, what we get? We get 2 plus 2 consecutive number. If we add them, we get equal to 4. Then 2 plus 4, that is 2 consecutive number. What we get? We get 6. Then if we add 4 plus 6, these 2 consecutive numbers, we get 10. Then obviously if we add 6 plus 10, we get 16. And then this consecutive number in position E and F. So E and F equal to G, that is question mark will be replaced by 26 to complete the number series pattern. Okay, so that's the logic. Actually derived here. Okay, so also remember it carefully that Fibonacci series is very common in competitive exams. So practice hard and try to think the logic in line with this during your exam hour. Okay, so stay tuned with the next and final one in this particular session. Okay, so now I am going to show another one. 15, 3. Okay, 12, 3, then 15 and the next number. What the number to put here to complete the series. Okay, so there are two logics you can simply implement. One is that consider this, as I have told in my previous video session, that sometime you have to focus on this particular number series and you have to think that it can be split into two particular sub-series. Okay, sub-series. One series should be split into sub-series. That is, here you can split, and in case of that you have to choose a series with numbers in odd positions and another series with the numbers in even position. What I am trying to say it, that if it is position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, then one series should be the numbers with odd position, that is 1, 3, 5, and another will be the series with the numbers in even position, that is 3, 3 and question mark. Already the logic is as clear as crystal water. Okay, so what is the relation between 15, 12 and the first series? That is 15, 12 and 15, that is valueless. Okay, actually sometimes in a sub series one particular series it becomes valueless. Okay, that is the actual logic is hidden here. So what we can see, that the number is not actually changed. As long as you continue the number, this remain constant. Okay, so 3, 3 and 3 and 3 and 3 and so on. So the question mark will be replaced by the number 3. So I have solved another 5 number series for you. So I can remember that this is my third number series completion sessions with you, or probably it is fourth number series completion session with you, and I have already solved 20 number series. So stay tuned for more and more to come in future. Okay, so thanks for your time now.